Oh! Welcome back sa panibagong vlog kung saan ay pupunta tayo sa Malcon Anime and Toy Convention dito sa Vista Mall, Bataan. Let's go! So nandito na kami, day 1, Malcon.
Day 2.
Ay, day 2, day 2. So siya, kapatid ko, Nahida. Ako si Skaras.
Wait and see, even I might blank out you and me. I thought that dream could light away. Take me higher, take me away. Whoa, oh, be my savior, take me away. Take me away.
Ay, bakit si Wanderer yung yung try mong i-portray?
Pinatuloy ko po yung kapatid ko na nahilak po siya. Kaya po si Skara or Wonder kinosplay ko.
How's the feeling of being here naman dito sa Toy Hub Fest?
Actually, first time ko po dito. Pero last convention na naka-attend ako is with
Okay, which is of course we acknowledge din yung effort at yung pagsisikap ng Bacon na magiging mapalapit ang local community dito sa Bataan. Okay, sir, any cost plan in mind in the future?
parang pupunta po ulit as Ayato.
Okay, look forward ko yan. Maraming salamat. Try mo.
Future cost plan ko po siya kasi gusto ko po siya mabilis kaso malapit na po
Okay. So, if given a chance na mag-pull ka ng isang character sa Genshin, sino gusto mo at bakit?
Sinubilet po.
Sino?
Sinubilet.
Si Nuvilet. Parang may nakita kong Nuvilet dyan. Parang may nakita kong Nuvilet. Yan, pero mamaya. Pag nakita ko, hihilahin ko dito. Ayun. So, how's the feeling of being here dito sa Toy Hub Fest?
Mga toys na gusto ko makita namin. First time lang po namin ito.
Oh, yun. So, yun, just in case kasi last year, nagpunta rin kami dito, BMA. Pero thank you very much at pinili niyo pumunta dito sa, dito sa Toy Hub Fest. Yun, maraming salamat. Okay?
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he.
So, siya yung ganyo.
Yeah, he's calling all his friends.
Ano yung dati? Siya yung Picasso dati. Ngayon, Gandhi.
Feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Kain muna kami. Gala ni Nahida tsaka ni Skara.
Burger! Tingin sa burger! Tingin sa burger! Atras! Tingin sa burger!
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. I think she knows that. She drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had.
That's a wrap. So, dito na natapos ang ating day 1 sa Malcon.
Dito kayo!
See you tomorrow.
showing all that they got, but they'll be missing the cut.